my dear children. Welcome to Learn with Clarity Academy. Today, we are going to discover some real magic, three-letter magic. We are going to learn the easiest, most fun way to start reading your very first words. Are you ready to become words wizards? Every big word starts with the tiny sounds. Think of them like building blocks. When we put them tiny sounds together in the right order, they build a whole world that we can read. Most of our magic three-letter words follow a special recipe. Consonants, vowel, consonants. The book ends. We start and end with consonants like C and T. They hold the word together. The heart. Vowels like A are the heart. They make the sound that brings the word to life. Let's plan. Let's try our first magic trick. Look at these letters C, A, T. If we slide them together, slowly C, A, T. What do we get? Cat. You just read a word, and once you know cat, you can meet his friends bat, hat, mat. Welcome to the A family party. The short A sounds is like the R in apple. See if you can spot the A in the middle of all your new rhyming friends. The E family. Next up is the E family. Short E say E, just like the start of the word at. Let's blend this one. H-E-N. That spells hand. Can you think of others? How about pen, ten, or red? The I family. Pig. Look at the pig. He has a wet. Now for the I family, short I says like an itchy inchworm. Look at this pig and look, he's wearing a wig. We can also build words like big, dig, and win when. The O family says like you are at the doctor. We have our family friend, the dog, a mystery box to open. And be careful that suns look very hot. It's very warm. The U family. Finally meet this family. U says you like an umbrella. We can see the sun sun shining. We can argue and run in the grass. And maybe friends a little bug. But steps to blending. Tap the sound, point to each letter and say its sound clearly. C, A, T. Now, mix them, slide them, move the sounds closer together quickly. Move your finger and the sounds together quickly. C-A-T, cat. Zap the word. Say the whole word fast. C-A-T, cat. You are reading the word, my dear children. B-O, word builder. Start small. Focus on one vowel family at a time, like the A family. Play rhyme time by changing the first letter and then write them in sand or with bright markers. This is how you can start reading three-letter words. Find three-letter words in your favorite storybooks. Vowel trend count. As you can see from our chart, the A family is the biggest family that make it a great place to start your reading journey. So let's conclude Did you have fun building words today? You did a wonderful job today. You have learned the secrets of three-letter magic. Now let's go out and read. Did you have fun building words today? And my dear children, do thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe to the Learn with Clarity. Hit the bell icon. Thanks. Thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and families.